like Tiwas has decided to divorce Mapitsi. He says that he cannot raise Rati, Ilingwana Thomas. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim Sam. So Maggie is encouraging Tiwas to divorce Mapitsi, saying and that they'll be fine. But John is not, seems that says also Maggie must not be encouraging this. And then Maggie feels like John is only supporting Mapitsi because Botswana, the base of the same feather. That's why I'm supporter, because he also cheated. John finally puts Maggie in her place, saying that she cannot bring up his past every time they speak about this. This is not about them, it's about Tibos Mapitsi. And then it seems like Maggie has had a change of heart and sort of like says, this will send Pitts into depression. Now Tibos seems like we need like he's committed himself to drinking alcohol. Even Lieto is worried. Like, dude, like, Fukuchanyana, what's going on? And then he says, he wants to divorce Mapitsi, but Mama Hai is thinking they're going to suffer. But Mapitsi won't be the first child to grow up without in a divorced home. And then says Horiana will not raise Mwana Thomas. If Rati Thomas, then he will not raise Rat. Kamo Bonnie and Clyde, Ili Pextin, Ili Msebiadi. Relationship seems to be blooming, man. Look at it, they're being shipped. And Liwatle is jealous because they seem to be spending a lot of time together. While Msebiadi is the one who encouraged Liwatle to break up with Pextin. Now he and Shu Umama let's go play Pextin. It seems like Clement Wawi in a Copper FM. He got the gig and will be a presenter part-time or temporarily until they sort out issue Mapitsi Thomas. In prison, Lihasa seems to be going through stuff and seems like he's got the doctor in trouble. And there's a new cellmate that's about to shake up his life. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.